Hi, my name is Robin. I'm one of the tech trainers here at the Pickerington Public Library. And today, for your grab and go, we are going to talk a little bit about animation, how it's done, and at the end, we'll go over how to make your own flipbook. So to understand animation, we need to understand where moving pictures come from, or movies, or videos. So legend has it, back in the late 1800s, a horse breeder made a bet that when a horse runs, all four of its hooves come off the ground. To prove it, he had a photographer take pictures of the horse as it ran, and when they laid the photos next to each other, it made a sequence. Even more special, they realized that if they played that sequence, it looked like the horse was running in front of them. You might not think that that's what a movie is, but it is what a movie is. Movies are usually a reel of images that in a long strand that a light shines through to cast them onto the wall. Of course, it's a little different now, but that's the best way I can think to describe how it works. So where did animation come from? Well, animation has actually been around much longer than moving pictures. You would think it would be the other way around, but it's not. There's even proof that people way before even before written history were trying to make animation happen. So back in Victorian times, they would have animation toys like this one on your screen, the phantasmoscope, where a drawing would repeat over and over again, but it still looks like they're moving. This was a fun toy. You could spin it and there were mirrors and it looked like you were actually watching a very, very short movie. Can you imagine if your favorite cartoons were only a few seconds long over and over again? It's a little bit like an internet GIF or GIF. Flipbook animation is the kind that we're going to talk about especially today. What you would do is you would have a group of images, lay them right on top of each other, and flip through with your thumb. And as you can see here, it looks like the images are moving. This is how first movies were made. You would stack images on top of each other and play them through quickly. So eventually, movies and animation came together, and we got a lot of really cool cartoons and movies because of it. Imagine watching your favorite cartoon. If you pause it, you'll see that there's an individual picture on your screen. It took an animator or a team of animators to draw that individual picture. But for every second of the cartoon, there are 24 individual pictures for them to look at, which means that in a show like SpongeBob that's 11 minutes long, there's over 15,000 individual images. It's a lot. Now, animators like to use computers to make it go a little bit faster. But back in the early days, they had to draw it all by hand. And sometimes still today, they do. So you can be an animator too. What you'll need are scissors, a stapler, and the images from your grab and go kit. Also, you'll want some coloring supplies. So the first flipbook you're going to make is Skelly the Skeleton. So asking a grown-up for help, you will try to cut out each image as well as you can. It won't be perfect, but that's okay. Then you'll want to lay them out so that they are in the right order based on the number on the side. Then you will staple. And you have your very own flipbook. The next one we gave you is Free Draw, a blank template for you to draw whatever kind of animation you want. Now be very careful. Make sure that you draw each picture in about the same spot with only a little bit of a difference each time. so it looks like it's animated. Also, make sure you put numbers. That way you know what order to put the images in when you staple them. Ask a grown-up for help, cut out the boxes, staple them together, and you will have your own animation. There's also a list of animation resources, books that you can check out, ebooks that you can read, websites that you can look at. There's a lot of information about animation. It's real fun, and you can keep drawing, and you can keep going, and you can have a great time. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me, and get animated.